Hello everyone, and once again welcome back to my channel Server Gyan. Within this video we are going to see what is a project. So guys, project means when multiple people are working towards same goal. So that is known as a project. So for example, if we have a particular website, let us say we have the servergyan.com. So servergyan.com is a website where the end goal of team is to bring multiple students onto platform to provide them services, and they should be getting the particular information like what are new courses going on and what are other things we are planning for, right? So end goal is going to be this. So how we can make user experience better, how they can get more and more information on the top of servergan website, how we can easily provide them a facility in order to register, in order to check their schedule time and other components, right? So that is going to be as a project for us. That is a complete project for us. So project means when business and science treat a project as an undertaking carried out individually or collaboratively and possibly involving research or design that is carefully planned to achieve a particular aim, which means when multiple people are working towards the same goal, so that is not a project. For example, if we talk about any like e-commerce website, so the main goal of e-commerce website is to have multiple vendors on their platform, making the delivery smooth to their customers, in order to say that they are willing that their customer should be able to refund the particular item whatever they have purchased from the site. That should be smooth. They should not, like, end of the day goal is that customer should not be facing any problem. So if we are working towards the same goal, so that is not a complete project. Now when we talk about project, so there are multiple people in the project and they all are working on separate component. So what is that? Like, they all are working on the same goal, but everyone will have a separate role. Let us say we have developer, so that is supposed to develop a new feature. We have product owner that is supposed to bring new ideas to the platform. We have QA team, so QA team is going to be responsible for separate component. So what are the roles and responsibility of individuals? We should be knowing that. Being DevOps, what is going to be our role in a project? Let us say if project is growing, so how we are going to predict that what sort of resources we should need. And let us say if we are doing anything manually, so we should have a plan that how we can automate that, how we can reduce the cost of organization, because end of the day every organization is working to make some profit, right? So if we have these sort of goals, and if all the guys who are working in the particular company, they are working towards same aim, right? So that particular thing is known as, that particular thing, that particular workspace is known as a project, right? So that is it, because I wanted you guys to understand that what is a project. So when multiple people of different mindset, like everyone has its own responsibility, so definitely when a person has different responsibilities, so mindset has to be different. So when multiple people with different mindset are working towards to achieve same goal, that is known as project, right? So what are the teams we are going to discuss, and we will definitely discuss like what are the team involved within all this particular project. So we are going to discuss that part as well. That is it for this video, guys. Thank you so very much for watching. Have a good time and happy learning.